Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX futures for Thursday, November 16th. For the record, today is Wednesday, November 15th. Time is around 8 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 1 hour chart. And so yesterday when I was recording, we were holding right here. I told you that, that was not really a coincidence that we were holding right here because we reached the equal leg area of this wave C. So if we take the beginning of this wave Y, then if we take the length of the wave A, the length of the wave B, then here this area was the area from where we can expect a reaction between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. Okay, we were holding here, but I told you that, we did not see any weakness yet. And so then we can also look at the next target. And I defined this as the next target. The equal leg area from the length of wave W, the length of wave X, and then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the target for our wave Y. And so at this very moment, we are holding right here at the lower boundary of this wave Y. We are also approaching some resistance area. So I would say, again, this is a potential candidate level for reversal. If the wave B here is indeed unfolding as a WXY. But I would say the problem for now is that, we do not really have the data so far that is supporting a reversal. Like we do not see much weakness, or the weakness is difficult to see, especially if we look at the 4 hours. This looks still very strong. However, if this is a corrective move, we also expect this to end strong, because a corrective move is going in 3 and not in 5. So we do not really have divergence in 3 waves. So we are not seeing this on the 4 hours. This is normal. And then, okay, we see divergence here on the 1 hour and probably also on the 15-minute indeed. But I mean, this can still further extend. I'm not really convinced that this is the level from where we can expect a reversal. Is this an area to go to further initiate along? No, I don't think so. I would say this is ending, but it's hard to say where exactly we would end. However, this is again an area where a lot of elements come together, like the wave Y area, the resistance. We also start to have 5 waves, but to be honest, I would like to see a clear 4th wave and then a 5th wave to finish this C structure. So far, we do not really have this. So, I believe this corrective structure should end at some point, of course. But once you have this straight line, there is not much interpretation of data. So we would need a bit more data to see some kind of reversal pattern. I would say another important fact, or another important event today in the markets, is that the Nasdaq took out this high here. So in the Nasdaq, this is a wave 3 high. So this indicates, this is a bullish sign across the markets, I would say. But if that does not necessarily mean that the DAX will do the same. I think like the DAX still has some way to go before reaching this high. So it could be that while the Nasdaq is finishing its fifth wave from this low right here, that the Nasdaq does not reach that the DAX does not reach this high, and then that the move down in the Nasdaq simply coincides with the wave C here in the DAX. This is also something I will follow up in next videos, but primary scenario is still that we are doing a corrective wave here. So after this wave A as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the primary expectation is that we are doing a corrective wave B to the upside in 3, 1, 2, 3, like this. We are in the wave B area, but for now, it's difficult to see if this wave is ending or not. I think we might still see a bit more upside, but it might be risky to chase the upward move from the current level we are currently at, because if this is a corrective move up here at some point, the wave C to the downside should start then. Now, there's also an alternative scenario as shown here in the 4-hour, and that's the most bullish one, I would say. And this scenario involves or says that our wave 2 low is made right here, and that the wave 2 then unfolded as a triple tree correction, W, X, Y, X, Z correction. But for the moment, we do not really have evidence for this. Like, what should happen is that we clearly have a third wave here, and clearly having a third wave means that I would like to see this wave then reaching here the upper boundary of the wave Y area, because then we are reaching the 1.618 FIB extension. Then this here could be our wave 1, this the wave 2, and then this here is the wave 3 reaching the 1.618 FIB extension. So in conclusion, on the lower time frame, I would say it's hard to estimate the exact top here in this corrective structure, simply because the data does not really allow us to do this. But on the higher time frame, I would say everything is still unfolding as forecasted. So we have a first corrective leg down. This is probably a corrective move up. And then from here, from this area, we can expect another corrective leg down as a C wave. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another video on the DAX. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.